Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to copy Instagram profile link using your mobile device. So if you're using Android or iPhone, don't worry because the process is the same. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your Instagram and then go to your profile by clicking on the lower right side of your screen, and then go ahead and click share profile, and then here you have two options, share profile and copy link. So just go ahead and click copy link, and then as you can see, link copied to clipboard. So that is so easy. So just go ahead and paste that to your messages, to your group chats, to your emails. So that's up to you, and that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.